I just ran at him with an SMG. I know that's not how you CSGO, but it's how I CSGO. Yeah. Hey, oh.
Like, these guys suck, bro.
What is happening, dude? I'm about to piss myself out of anger.
What was that? Hey Grant, how you doing? Hey Grant, how you doing? Hey Grant, how you doing? Hey Grant.
Oh my god, the train.
What?
Show them the train.
Not answering me. Oh, yeah, there you go. Good job, idiot. Great job. You really just ruined it for everybody, you fucking idiot.
Dude, what was that, Grant?
What? Don't worry about this.
You just shot at him a million. It's okay.
Dude, what's going on?
Stole the kill. Stole the kill. Stole the kill. Stole the kill. Hee. Stole the kill. Stole the kill. Stole the kill. Stole the. Oh, he just died.
That's that real hurt. I got killed by a bot, bro. I'm gonna uninstall.
Don't do that.
That's fucking retarded.
Okay, Kaduko. Listen, if you kill me one more time, I swear I'll come to your house and knock on the door and deliver a pizza.
I'm turning up, bro.
You look like a turnip.
Sitting with me.
Do you not know what a turnip is?
Like a turnip green?
Yeah, you look like a turnip green. Issa get, like, you know, lit up. Oh, gun reload, gun reload, gun reload, gun reload. Dude, they suck. You guys literally suck. Free kill. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you so much.